So today I'm going to talk about how to integrate Jenkins with Tfsec. So the first thing, what is Tfsec? So Tfsec is a analysis security scanner for your Terraform code. It is designed to run locally and in your CI pipelines like Jenkins. It is developer-friendly output and it is fully documented. It means that detection and remediation can take place as quickly and efficiently as possible. So why should you run Tfsec? Tfsec has quickly become a default static analysis tool to detect potential security risks. It is easy to integrate into a CI pipeline and has a growing library of checks against all of the major cloud providers like AWS and Azure, platform like Kubernetes, and so on. So there are some prerequisites for the integration. The first thing that you need is an active Jenkins server, and you need to have an integration between Jenkins, Terraform, and AWS. And you need to have Docker engine installed so that we can pull the Tfsec image and run them. So next is you have to configure the environment where you run your code. I mean run your build. If you have an agent, a Jenkins agent, you will run locally. So the step one is you have to add Jenkins user to the Docker group. Use this command sudo user mod /a/g docker Jenkins. This will add the Jenkins to the Docker group. So by default, only the root can run Docker command. So we are doing this so that when we run the pipeline, the Jenkins agent can use Docker without having to promote to root. The step 2 is to restart Jenkins service using the command sudo service Jenkins restart. The step 3 is to reload the system daemon using the command sudo systemctl daemon reload. The step 4 is to restart Docker service using the command sudo service docker restart. From the step 2 to step 4, this will apply the change where we add the Jenkins to the Docker group. And the step 5, you need to have Docker plugin and Docker pipeline plugin in your Jenkins environment. So go to plugin manager, search for Docker plugin and Docker pipeline in the available tab and download them. And now when you When you need to run Tfsec in the pipeline, just simple add stage Tfsec. When you pull in the image Docker Tfsec, here I choose a specific image. It is Tfsec CI version 0.57.1. You can choose the newest version. And here in the stack, we use Tfsec no color. The Tfsec is to execute the Tfsec command. No color is for visual. Because when you run pipeline in Jenkins, it will have some weird symbol like question mark or something like that. So the no color will emulate them. So we have a better look at our result. So yeah, just add the code and you can run it without anything. So one note is that when you execute Tfsec, if there is any security finding, like in here, we have the finding, so the pipeline will be blocked and it will return the result to us. So in here, I have my Tfsec here. I will click build now. Click console output to see the pipeline running. So here, starting from here, the pipeline, the Jenkins U Docker. Jenkins does not seem to be running inside a container. So here it's gonna pull the image Tfsec. Here execute the command Tfsec no color. And here we have filing. So we can see the impact here is the metadata service can be interacted with freely, and we have the resolution enable HTTP token requirement for IMDS. We have some reference here. In the file list one block file, evaluate block file, and we have the result ranking here. It's high, medium, low, and we have one high. So because the Tfsec detect a problem, so in the next step, it was skipped due to earlier failures. Here we can see my GitHub repo. So here is my Jenkins file. We use environment to have the Terraform access to AWS. Here we use Docker to pull the image. The stage where Terraform init, Terraform plan were not approved because Tfsec found a security finding. So that's all for now. You have successfully integrated Tfsec with Jenkins and Terraform.